Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Step 1. Measure ingredients. Combine the half and half sugar and vanilla extract in the pint-size bag. Step 2. Prep ice bag. Fill the gallon-size Ziploc bag halfway with ice cubes. Step 3. Zipping bags. Step 4. Shake it up. Step 5. Enjoy. 6 people made this project. 182 comments.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Dairy. A key factor in ice cream's creaminess is the dairy, cream, but often milk or half and half are included as well. The fat content is a contributor to the texture of your ice cream. The higher, the creamier your end result.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If the ice cream is not churned fast enough, larger ice crystals can develop, causing the ice cream to become too hard when frozen. The faster it is churned, the more air that is whipped into it, which will help it from freezing as hard. Fat does not freeze, so it helps give the ice cream a smoother texture.
Let's help you make your mark.
Full cream milk is the best for making homemade ice cream because of its high butterfat content of 3 to 4%. Skimmed milk, by contrast, only has about 0.5% butterfat content. You can also use goat's milk if you like, but it will add a slightly tangy taste to the ice cream.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.